Good morning. It's Thursday, the 8th of July. Have you ever been on a journey? Maybe you're in a bus and you're telling a friend, please let me know when we arrive at my destination, because life is a journey and you must not lose focus of the destination. Find out in today's Rhapsody Realities how to keep your focus. The Rhapsody Realities app is a world of beautiful things. Download the app today and enjoy beautiful things in God's Word. I want you to be a part of the greatest move of the Spirit of God by becoming a partner with Rhapsody Realities today. You can sponsor in the following categories. Just click on the link below. Also, tell your friends about Rhapsody by becoming a Rhapsody influencer. This is a beautiful day, the best day you've ever had. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and your next level is a click away. Make sure you click.